So, where do you actually find good and usable raw and log footage from cameras like ARRI, Red, and a whole bunch of other camera brands? Now, if you've been asking around on different user groups and on Reddit, you know that most people aren't really willing to share their footage. Mainly because it's usually a big pain in the rear, and a lot of their usable footage might actually belong to one of their clients, which probably wouldn't appreciate seeing their footage in one of your color grading reels on TikTok or Instagram. If you ask 10 colorists or content creators, you're probably going to get 11 different answers, but to me, having access to this type of footage usually comes down to a few different things. I'm either looking for specific footage shot in, let's say, a certain lighting condition or on a specific camera, maybe to familiarize myself with a raw workflow or log profile, and it's also a great way to practice things like color grading or to use in tutorials and even in your color grading reels. Now, with all of that out of the way, the best resource that I have found so far, and by far, is Artlist, and here's why. So let's say we are looking for afternoon exterior log footage shot on an Ariel X Mini, or maybe you want to make a Fargo-inspired color grading tutorial. Well, here's a clip collection of a car chase, including arrest scene coverage at the end here, which contains a total of 163 different matching clips. And all of these 163 different clips in this specific collection is available in ARRI Log C. Or maybe you want to go medieval and maybe make a color grading tutorial or a VFX tutorial of Lord of the Rings or whatever it might be. Well, here's another 2 collections with a total of 100+ clips, all of them shot in ARRI Log C. Not every collection contains this many matching clips. Some might be just 10 or maybe 30, but I think you can see why I really like this resource compared to having access to just maybe 1 or 2 different test clips that someone was willing to share with you, someone maybe holding up a color chart or whatever it might be. So this is what I call usable clips. And like I mentioned earlier, there's also Red RAW footage, Red log in up to 8K resolution, along with log footage from various Sony cameras, Blackmagic, Canon, Panasonic, and so on and so forth. Yeah, I mean, I wish I could show you more in this video, but we don't want to make it too long. So the downside is obviously that it's not free, but just, imagine the amount of bandwidth and storage it'll take to just host this amount of footage in both MP4, ProRes, RAW, log in 4K, 6K, and 8K. To me, it seems like a pretty fair price. If you decide to go with the Artlist Max plan, you'll also get access to all of their music and sound effects instead of just the footage and the templates. Oh, yeah. Working on something here, latency, monitors, that sort of stuff. But yeah, whatever. So I just want to say that this video wasn't sponsored by Artlist or anything, and they didn't reach out to me to make this video. I've just seen enough posts over the years on different user groups, Reddit, what have you, from people just asking where they can find log and raw footage, but usually not getting a single response on their post. With that said, I do have an Artlist affiliate link, and you can have one too if you become an Artlist user yourself. But on your way over there to find out if you want to become an Artlist user, I would appreciate if you at least considered using my affiliate link down below. I will put it, on the top of the description so it's easy for you to find. But yeah, do yourself a favor, head over there and just, give yourself a couple of minutes to browse around, see what types of coverage, what cameras, the amount of stock footage in RAW and log that you will have access to if you decide to sign up and get those. I believe you'll get 2 extra months for free if you sign up using the affiliate link down below. But with that said, yeah, thank you for watching, and yeah, I hope I'll see you in the next one. So, bye. That was kind of a lame outro, I know. But yeah, it was nice having you here. Head over to Artlist, just, take a look, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye.